Hey sisters, it's 2025 and you know what that means? Time for a hair transformation. Gone are the days of boring basic hair. In 2025, your hair isn't just a style, it's a statement. It's all about expressing your inner world, your vibe, This year, we're seeing some seriously stunning hair color trends, from gentle pastels that scream soft life to bold digital tones that are straight out of a cyberpunk dream. Whether you're a trendsetter or just looking for a little refresh, trust me, there's a color out there with your name on it. So buckle up as we dive deep into the top 10 hair color trends ruling 2025 and discover which one speaks to you. Are you ready? Let's get started, sisters. Kicking off our list at number 1, we have digital lavender. This isn't your grandma's lavender, okay? This is like lavender 2.0. We're talking soft, dreamy, almost ethereal. It's like taking a warm bubble bath in a field of lavender while scrolling through your fave aesthetic edits on Insta. This color has taken over both the real and virtual worlds, and for good reason. Inspired by digital wellness and futuristic fashion, digital lavender is peaceful, aesthetic, and surprisingly bold all at the same time. It's giving I'm zen, but I'm also a trendsetter. And the best part? It looks absolutely stunning on a range of skin tones, especially those with cooler undertones. It's like magic, I swear. It looks incredible in both daylight, where it's soft and romantic, and under neon lights, where it really pops. Seriously, if you're looking for a color that brings a touch of calm elegance to your overall look, digital lavender is it. And honestly, with Gen Z's obsession with both tech and self-care, it's no wonder this color is trending like crazy. Oh, and one last thing. To keep your digital lavender looking fresh and vibrant, make sure you're using a color-safe, sulfate-free shampoo. Trust me, your hair will thank you. Okay, let's be real. Who doesn't love a good balayage? It's like the hair color that keeps on giving. And this year, it's all about bronze balayage. Think warm, rich, sun-kissed tones that just scream, I woke up like this, after a luxurious vacation. This color is all about that effortless, natural-looking glow. It's like the perfect blend of caramel, gold, and chestnut, creating this multi-dimensional look that's both subtle and stunning. And the best part? It's perfect for my brunettes out there who are looking for a change, but don't want to commit to a full-on dye job. It adds just the right amount of brightness and dimension without being too drastic. And honestly, can we talk about how low maintenance this trend is? It grows out so beautifully, you can literally rock it for months without needing a touch-up. Plus, it complements pretty much every skin tone. No wonder it's trending, right? But let me tell you, to really keep that shimmer alive, make sure you're using a good gloss treatment at least once a month. It'll make your color look freshly done every single time. Get ready to unleash your inner pop princess, because Cherry Cola is here to bring back all those nostalgic Y2K vibes. Think deep, rich brown with those little flashes of ruby red peeking through. It's moody, it's romantic, and let's be real, it's a little bit rebellious too. This color is like the love child of a goth queen and a prom queen. It's got that dark, mysterious vibe, but then the red tones give it this playful, flirty edge. It's like I'm sweet, but don't underestimate me. And let me tell you, this color looks especially fire on people with naturally dark hair. It adds this insane amount of dimension and shine, and when the sunlight hits it, forget about it. You're basically a walking, talking light show. Honestly, with TikTok's obsession with all things 2000s, it's no surprise that Cherry Cola is back and better than ever. And if you're thinking of giving it a try, here's a little tip. Avoid washing your hair every single day. It'll help those gorgeous red tones stay vibrant for longer. Okay, sisters, if you're looking for a hair color that screams confidence, look no further than Icy Platinum. This is for my bold babes who aren't afraid to stand out. This isn't just blonde, it's white blonde. It's like, you looked at the snow and said, yeah, I want my hair to be that bright. This shade is all about making a statement. It's sleek, it's modern, and it looks absolutely killer with bold makeup and those fierce monochromatic outfits. Think Kim Kardashian West at the Met Gala levels of iconic. But I'm not gonna lie, sisters, this color is high maintenance. It requires a skilled stylist who knows their stuff because we're talking full-on bleaching and regular toning sessions to keep it looking fresh. But you know what? Sometimes that's what it takes to achieve greatness. And honestly, with the whole post-pandemic energy being all about embracing boldness and minimalist beauty, Icy Platinum just makes sense. Just promise me, if you go for it, you'll invest in a good purple shampoo and a seriously hydrating deep conditioner. Your hair will thank you. Alright, we've talked about bold colors, but what about my introverts in the house? Don't worry, I got you. If you're looking for a color that's both unique and understated, Smoky Blue is your new best friend. This isn't your typical in-your-face blue, okay? We're talking a muted, almost steel blue shade that's both calming and edgy at the same time. It's like I'm chilling in my own lane, but I'm also a mysterious enigma. This color is perfect for those who want to experiment with color without going full-on rainbow. It's subtle enough to wear to work, but still interesting enough to turn heads. And let me tell you, it looks especially amazing on people with cool undertones. And honestly, can we talk about how this color is basically a love letter to K-dramas and Pinterest aesthetics? It's that perfect blend of romantic and edgy that's so on trend right now. Just a heads up, blue tones tend to fade faster than other colors. So if you want to keep your smoky blue looking fresh, make sure you're using a color depositing conditioner or toner every few weeks. Okay, buckle up because things are about to get romantic. Introducing Caramel Rose, the hair color that's basically golden hour in a bottle. It's like taking all the warmth and glow of a sunset and putting it directly onto your hair. Imagine this, warm caramel tones with just a hint of rosy pink. It's soft, it's dreamy, and it looks amazing on literally everyone. Seriously, no matter your skin tone, Caramel Rose will make you look like you just stepped out of a fairy tale. This color is all about enhancing your natural beauty. It's not about making a statement, it's about creating this soft, romantic aura that's just irresistible. It's giving I'm a hopeless romantic who loves long walks on the beach and watching the sunset. And honestly, with all the dreamy romantic styles we're seeing all over social media, it's no wonder Caramel Rose is having a major moment. To keep this gorgeous color looking its best, make sure you're sleeping on a silk pillowcase. It'll help prevent friction, which can cause your color to fade faster. Alright, let's switch gears for a second and talk about something a little more edgy. For those who want to experiment with color without bleaching their hair to oblivion, let me introduce you to oil slick hair. This trend is all about creating those mesmerizing, iridescent effects that look like, well, oil on water. We're talking deep blues, purples, and greens that blend together seamlessly, creating this incredible shine that's impossible to ignore. The best part? Because this technique doesn't require any bleach. It's way gentler on your hair. So, if you're looking for a way to add some color without the damage, this is it. And honestly, with everyone being more conscious of hair health these days, it's no surprise that this trend is gaining traction. It's like, you can have the best of both worlds, vibrant color and healthy hair. Who wouldn't want that? To keep those colors looking vibrant and prevent any unwanted fading, make sure you're using a color-safe conditioner every time you wash your hair. It'll make a world of difference, trust me. Calling all my free spirits and desert queens. If there's one color that screams adventure and wanderlust, it's desert copper. This shade is like a sunset poured over your hair, warm, fiery, and absolutely captivating. Imagine this, rich, coppery tones with hints of burnt orange and gold, like the sand itself is shimmering in your hair. It's bold, it's earthy, and it looks especially stunning on people with warm undertones. This color is all about embracing your wild side. It's for those who aren't afraid to stand out from the crowd and march to the beat of their own drum. It's giving I'm a force of nature and I'm not afraid to show it. And let's be real, with everyone obsessed with festival looks, desert photo shoots, and all things fire energy, desert copper is the perfect way to channel that vibe. Just a heads up, because this color is so vibrant, it does require a bit of upkeep. Make sure you're using a color-safe shampoo and conditioner, and always use a heat protectant spray before you blow dry or style your hair. Sometimes the most impactful looks are the most understated, and that's where soft black comes in. Forget what you thought you knew about black hair, because this isn't your average black dye job. This is black, but elevated. We're talking rich, dimensional black that's full of depth and shine. It's like, I'm naturally chic and I don't need to try too hard. This trend is all about embracing the natural beauty of black hair, but adding a touch of something special. It's sleek, it's sophisticated, and it looks incredible on everyone. And honestly, with the whole quiet luxury aesthetic taking over the fashion world, it's no wonder that soft black is becoming the new neutral. It's the perfect way to add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any look without being too over the top. Here's a little tip. If you want to add even more dimension to your soft black hair, try using a gloss that has a hint of navy or violet in it. It'll create this subtle, iridescent effect that's to die for. Last but not least, we have the hair color that's basically sunshine and happiness bottled up. Peach Blonde. This shade is like a warm hug for your hair. Soft, playful, and oh so flattering. Imagine this, buttery blonde with a touch of peachy pink, like a sunset over a field of wildflowers. It's light, it's bright, and it looks especially amazing on people with warm undertones. This color is all about embracing your youthful energy. It's for those who love to have fun, experiment with different styles, and aren't afraid to show off their sweet side. It's giving I'm bubbly, I'm approachable, and I'm always down for a good time. And honestly, with Korean fashion and beauty trends becoming increasingly popular, it's no surprise that Peach Blonde is having a major moment. Just a heads up, This color does tend to fade a bit faster than some of the others on this list. So to keep your peach blonde looking fresh and vibrant, make sure you're using a color depositing conditioner or toner at least once a month, or even consider a peach glaze treatment. And that's a wrap on the top 10 hair color trends of 2025. Phew, we covered a lot of ground today, sisters. But here's the thing to remember. Hair color isn't just about beauty, it's about expressing your truth. It's about looking in the mirror and loving what you see inside and out. Whether you're bold like platinum, calm like smoky blue, or romantic like caramel rose, your hair is an extension of your personality. It's a way to tell your story without saying a word. So, which color are you feeling this year? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm dying to hear all about your hair transformations. And don't forget, trends may come and go, but your unique personality never fades. Thanks for watching. Stay confident, stay expressive, and until next time, let your hair do the talking.